That's Emily. Sounds of the stadium. Vlog. Sounds of the stadium. No carpet squares this year. That's good, eh? We're sitting down for rehearsal. Plenty of stuff going on. The Mellos are all sitting over here for now. No section leaders in sight. What do we think about that, eh?
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know.
We're so lost and confused. Help us, car. Help us. Help us, car. I'm locked in on it.
What do I need? White rabbit. Where have you been? Life is. Do I need to find rabbit? Also, it could just not be that deep. I think it's not that deep. We should have about 9 on each side. Works. One down there. 1, 2, 3.
And then Tyson, be careful on
Mike?
complete right? Last time I put the guitars in there, I think
Guys, what if I actually record the whole
volume a little bit. So we'll just hit the same chunk and we'll be good to go. Thank you.
Well, like,
Hey.
That's already better, much better. So tubas, one more thing now that we're kind of set really well, how are we gonna stand? Some of us are at attention, some of us are feet shoulder width apart. I can live with either as long as we all do the same thing. Okay, next one. A lot better. The blend and the balance is so much better. Now one.
this is the vlog.
Are you recording or is it a picture?
Yes.
Okay. So I spit on Garrett's Malaga thinking it was extra. So now I get to use it because I offered Garrett my Malaga so he didn't have to touch my spitty Malaga. Today's going great. Lack of brain cells really doing me good.
Awesome.
Bring a Christmas tree. I'm gonna bring a Christmas tree. I haven't.
Say hi, vlog.
I vlog.
Wow. This is kind of cinematic.
Is it?
It is. Say something profound.
Huh?
Something profound.
Something profound.
I've never been there. I just learned that we might be going to Arizona for a bowl game. I'm not going to Arizona for a bowl game. I got family. I got a family to feed.
I think we'll also be going to Arizona, but I don't want to go to Arizona.
I don't either.
Memphis isn't sounding so bad right about now.
Yeah,
Liberty
if we go to
Bowl.
Arizona, it's a bowl game. A bowl game is a bowl game.
I would rather do January 2nd.
Yeah, no, Memphis isn't sounding that bad right now.
We can talk about Mac for the driver's championship. Eavesdropper.
What? Sorry, no, just be normal.
I don't know. Anyways, dude, literally, Max basically.
Is that from Mellow Vlog? Is that what you're doing this year?
Maybe.
My cameraman and follow me around.
What?
You can be my cameraman and follow me around.
You seem pretty stationary right now. Wait, hold on. Let me do this Ollie's in.
He has to win, and
I'm sure she went to go see family.
He can get second, but
no matter what, guys.
My Spotify Wrapped ability. I would really like to have that. I know. I love how Spotify Wrapped has been telling people that age is just a number. I know.
What'd you say about age?
Spotify said age is just a number, and Spotify Wrapped this year. Spotify Wrapped said I was 51. So
How does it feel being 51 into your last Sounds of the Stadium?
I'm older than my father. It's crazy. I feel it on my back. I'm so ready for this to be my last time. I'm gonna be honest. I thought it was bad last year when I was always like, man, my arms hurt. This is way worse. Give me my hurt arms any day of the week.
Hurt arms?
Hurt arms and getting obliterated by CN in front of the whole band. that was pretty awful too.
Sounds of the Stadium.
Odds of you going are so low. I'm gonna be so
What?
like,
What are you saying?
you know what I'm saying.
This guy is a Christmas Grinch.
I have no reason.
That way, go. Start merging. Old head. How do you feel now that your last Sounds the Same has happened? Any words of wisdom for some new guys?
Yeah.
Go Cats.
New guy.
Keep going. Do
I'm
better.
a new guy.
Do good. Hold the legacy. Stay loud.
I'm still mad I
Stay
spit
loud.
on
Stay
Garrett's
proud.
music.
All gas, no brakes. You know
Brett, how does it feel? Last one.
Can't say I'm sad. Cats by 90. I'm ready for the bowl game. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for the music, though. Hey, it's the end of the vlog.
Yeah, what was it like? It's your last Sounds of the Stadium.
I'm tired. I'm old. It's getting dark, and I think it's time to leave. And we don't pick up pocket squares.
Yeah. Sounds the Same.
Been a good season, coach. Happy to be here. Proud to do what I do.
Wait, tilt your head with the camera. Okay. First Sounds of the Stadium?
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah?
Fun. Yeah, my lips hurt. Yay.
I feel like the rest of the section just left.
I guess he just hits women. Evan just hits women. Yeah.
I just did Lily.
Just don't, yeah, I don't, what are you, okay. Sounds Stadium over. I'm so excited to next perform in Phoenix, Arizona. It's gonna be great.
But that would be a great ending. Like, hold on, wait.
Then roll credits. And then roll
Hold on. Hold the horn straight forward. You don't move, I move.
Matt Cronin, please say something. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
How does it feel coming back, even though you're old and washed? Kennedy!
Hey!
How does it feel coming back now that you're old and washed?
Why would you include that? You know who I saw?
Who?
I don't know if I can say this on camera. Mr. Right is here.
Guest appearance.
Cool.
Evan, what was your favorite song?
What was my favorite song? Big fan of. What did we play?
I don't know.
You weren't listening?
I was. I don't know the names. You
I
played
don't
a
either.
couple of them.
Cheers, Cincinnati.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Like that one. A whole lot. We played 3 times.
3 times.
Sang it once.
You did sing it once. Did you sing Loud and Proud?
Yeah.
I want to tell you that I didn't hear you guys like spelling out Bearcats for the tag. I only heard banana.
That's good.
Sounds like a you problem. Turn on your ears.
Oh my God, Alex.
Turn on your ears.
Parents are here. Do you think they'll pay for a Murphy stash?
Maybe I will down a Murphy's.
You want to go film some people?
Just add the most atrocious music on top.
I'm not editing this one. I thought you were.
I don't know.
Who's
She doesn't
editing?
know.